Nyaya bing it on, bing it drum a call from Zion ground. Habit of the people, ancient song. Fire, fire. Dancers, pop, EDM, spirit roots profound. Reggae message make the world spin round. Roots reggae rasta say right. Make the truth reveal. Words from the soul, every line a heal. French, Spanish, Swahili, Japanese flow. When the bass line drop, whole world know. From the streets to the mountains high. Reggae lift the spirit, touch the sky. Culture can't hide, fire can't die. Music bring the people unified. From Jamaica to every nation, hear the vibration. Reggae are the voice of love and liberation. Every language, every tribe, every station. One heart, one sound, one foundation. Hip-hop first mic, dancehall, pop, EDM me on rhythm. Dancehall, pop, EDM me chest. Lyrics full of purpose, always giving me best. From Kingston corners to the east and west. Sound system, culture put the truth to test. Breaking down walls with a conscious style. Ancient drum pattern mixed with modern file. Youth them listening from mile to mile. Roots and future walking same mile. Naya bingi chan, God boom boom. Heart big drum call every nation. Tell the people come truth have no border. No kingdom done under one moon, under one sun. Spread the reggae music in every tongue. Old and young, let these songs be sung. Africa, Europe, America, Asia become one. Through roots vibration, the mission begun. From Jamaica to every nation, read the vibration. Reggae are the voice of love and liberation. Every language, every tribe, every station. One heart, one sound, one foundation. Bingy keep beating, message now cease. Reggae carry justice, unity and peace. From mountain top to every city street. One love, one sound, one eternal beat.